Huh?
Okay, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm trying to get my headphones also in.
Let move. Let move. Yo, you can let move.
Oh, it happened already.
Yo, yeah, top us three, is it?
Yeah, I'm only gonna wait till afterwards. I'm not gonna worry now.
Yeah, don't worry now.
Yeah, no. Wait till afterwards. How do I share my screen with you? Can I?
Oh, are you on your laptop?
Yeah, connect to the TV.
Send a
Jeez,
screenshot
looks
for.
ugly here. Are you recording it? Goodness gracious.
Yeah, we're live.
I have I have pens and shit here in the way. Goodness gracious. I want to show you something. I did something now.
Uh, yeah, I couldn't log on to my train account. I'm trying to log
Why?
on to it the whole time. I couldn't log on to my MetaTrader. I'm trying to log on to it the whole time, and it just couldn't log on to it. And now the move already happened. Yeah, okay.
Did you get in though?
No, I couldn't log in. I didn't want to. It was. I was logged. I tried to log in from 20
You see
past
that?
already, and it
You see that?
didn't and nothing. I was like, yeah, fuck. I had a trade this morning,
What did
but
the news even?
it broke even. Okay, I'm gonna remove this call, and then I'm gonna put you one on now. All right.
Ah, wow, that's cool. As I said, I can I edit while I'm here? No.
Yeah, you can do whatever you have to do. You can do whatever you want. I'm looking at you like a
Okay,
presentation.
hold on. So what I did here earlier on is that I said a fake out was gonna happen based on news. You go to
Hmm.
there. Okay, when I didn't now, just that it went just to there. So I'm saying that this is what's gonna happen, and then later on, I'll enter here. You see,
Okay. And it
what if
actually is doing that. That's faking out that.
because right now, yeah. So what happens? I think what we'll do is now is that if I take this away quickly, and then what I think what we'll do now is Harper Stein. This is the Harper Stein London session. So what I'm thinking what's gonna do now is it's gonna do that. Right, then Harper's force and come pitch it up and then play here a little bit. But I don't know. What did the news even say? You know, what do you think? I think it's gonna.
Let me check quick.
It's also look, in a sense of like it's also like it came in
No, it's
3:53. Yeah,
focal.
okay, nah.
Yeah.
See that? You see, that's the thing. That's why I'd rather wait till after the news because you can't predict what was gonna happen. Look at here, bro. Like the average hourly wage doubled, bro. That means people is earning more than what they did last month per hour. And the employment change was 353. They thought it was going to be less than 333, even when more than above. So I think now, right? So that's why I wait. So now, what's going to happen now? That's what I now. All this is meaningless.
You
Right?
see what
All
they
this
said
thing.
in the. You see what they say in the group,
What they say?
and
I didn't see.
I also I
Lose
wasn't
money.
watching. Um, mm, what the guy saying? Um, so they all said buy gold, buy on gold. buy on gold, buy
Yeah,
on gold,
yeah,
buy
yeah,
on
yeah,
gold,
yeah,
and
yeah.
let's see
But
what
you can't
happens.
predict that. You can't predict that because you don't know what the news is gonna be. You're not a fortune teller. You don't know, right? So
Yeah,
I'm just that's why I if you want to gamble, right, then you take a $50 or $100 or $200 and you say, okay, buy or sell, and hope it goes away. That's gambling.
yo, this Barashi did a sell, yeah. Nah, but what I was gonna do, I was gonna enter a buy stop and a sell stop above the 30 minute.
Hmm. Yeah, like you
And
normally
then,
do.
yeah, and then whatever activated, I closed the other one. And I would have been like 3% up already. More, much more actually. Because I see it's
But
still
now,
going.
what I'm thinking about doing now, because the news came in so strong with the dollar, I'm thinking this that it will now touch here later on. See, instead of touching it now higher, not there's now your liquidity there, or the blocky, whatever they want to call it, and then it will fall further for the day at least. Not for long, maybe just a little bit for the day. So I'm thinking that's what's gonna happen. We'll see. You can never
So
really
you're gonna
say,
take
but
a,
I'm
so you think
thinking
you're
that
gonna
was.
take a sell later?
I'll take a so I was four. Yeah, 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 yeah. I have to now because the news came in too good for the dollar. It's not going
Oh,
to,
yeah.
or maybe
That
it's
one's market opening. That one's market opening.
and not the market open it, but the market open will push it up a little bit maybe to here. I'm thinking upwards four-ish,
Can I just,
make it right.
yeah.
So
Just take a look at this. Let me show you how something. This is what I'm looking
I'm
at right
thinking
now.
that, and then that. No, I'm thinking it's gonna
Uh,
sell.
can you see my screen?
Hmm.
I'm thinking of that.
Yeah,
What do you think of that?
I think so for
If it
sure.
breaks that, if it breaks that cell, I mean that low there, then maybe I can.
Look, I think from
Yo,
like I normally would only trade like half past four. So I'm thinking between half past four or now half past three even. If you got in that cell, I think hold your cell now till about 6 o'clock,
hmm.
and then you can definitely. But there's gonna be a buy again later. I'm not gonna fall forever. There's gonna be that little fall for the day. So about half past 6, 7 o'clock, you jump out and then you call it a day. But I think if you didn't enter now, you wait for the retrace and then you sell. But it's definitely gonna sell for a couple of hours at least, based on what I
Hmm.
just saw on the news. Now it
But
can't.
look like it's stopping now though. Not breaking 17410.
17410. Yeah, because you see, even there by me on my phone, I got the EMA there 200 on the 50 minute. It's gonna break. It's interesting, no? Interesting. That's why I don't want to do news with a big account. I can't, bro. It doesn't work, bro.
Yeah. You see Sorik was in the group. Sorik was saying maybe a 50 rand Europe he was putting in.
Because even like that, they posted a video of this guy that does these signals, NFP signals and stuff.
Yeah.
That he even said there's gonna be a buy, right? You can't predict. Not possible.
He predict the buy.
Yeah, there's gonna be a snow. There's gonna be in indexes in gold. It's not possible, man, to predict this. We just wait and be afterwards is the best thing. And what is you start looking like?
No, but I see like it's not breaking that though. It's not breaking for me 17.10. I could just lam in there though. I would into sell though to go further down, but I don't see anything there though. It's not breaking it. Maybe it's gonna go back up. You never know.
Oh, but look at gold, young. Gold fell. Jeez. And I have my thingy there, but I don't trade new. Check here, I'll show you. I had my thingy there on gold, so this week.
Yo,
This week
so
I have my
Sodic
thing.
posted though. Yo, is
What do
that
you say?
gold?
Yeah.
Nah, Sodic didn't make it.
I, I have my thingy here, 58, but I didn't do anything. I can't trade news, man. Other way, bro, is better.
So
Better
you're
to
gonna
it.
wait the opposite for. You're gonna wait the opposite for.
Yeah, so, yeah, there will be a pullback, a retrace, and then I'll enter the sell. I have to do that only. I can't, bro.
Hmm.
Are you in though? In something?
Nah, I was in this morning. So let me show you the trade I took this morning. It's a
But then
pity I
hold the
can't now
untangle
add.
this go. In one second,
It's a
hold
pity
on.
I can't get my method. I'm gonna put my method trade. Dun, 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 dun. So I had a Nash trade this morning. Let's check. Where was my Nash trade? The 10. Just change this again to
Okay, I'm gonna sit back and relax, man.
I must also go now
What do you say?
to I must go to the shops also now. Take my wife for somewhere.
We at home.
Where are you? You look
Are
like
you
it's
at
going
home?
back up. Yeah, I'm at home, but I have to go
Yeah,
to
then go back
petrol.
up. Yeah, it's gonna go back up. But we'll come again now.
Mm,
We'll
oh
come
yeah,
again
yeah.
down.
He's on Joburg. So just move it
Mm-hmm.
there. So the trade I took was this
Yes,
trade.
look at that. This morning.
Yeah, this was this morning. So I had my trend from about the and like the I had my trend line about that, right? So it broke this level and I entered about yeah. Stop loss was there and I was aiming for a 1 for 1. 1 for 1. But of course now you have to take in consideration everything.
Yeah.
So it didn't touch. And then what I did was it came back down, but then I moved my stop loss to about the underneath that candle there. And then when it went back up and then it came back down. So I thought to myself, when it came back down here, when it came back down on this candle here, this red candle, when it came back down there, I was thinking to myself, if this thing touch my entry point, I was gonna close it and have it on break even. But then it went back up for like a second time. And at this point, I was like, nah, I'm gonna keep it. It's gonna touch and give me my 1%. But
And it
then
didn't.
what I did was, yeah, but what I did was I put my stop loss at break even when it got to like here, because I'm like, if this thing is either gonna touch and give me my 1%, or if it come back down, it's gonna go the opposite way. So I put it on break even and it touched me out, knocked me out, and I didn't trade again after that. But what I should have done was I had my trend line too long. I had my trend line too long, man. I had to do it something more like this. Then I would have entered from here about there. The stop loss just about there. And I would have aimed for this high about here and get that high out. That would have been like a easy 1.9. Easy. But
What time was this though? It's more than what
but
time?
yeah, this is like 10 o'clock. So what I noticed is that if you take a look at ICT, the way he explains it is it's accumulation, this manipulation, distribution. So around London time, it normally will break the Asia low, the Asian range breaks, and then it makes a new low. So as you can see, it made like a new low. Here's the Asian low about here. So it touched Asian low, and then it made a new low during London. So I would aim that. I do it like every day. It was not on US 100 and it's either on Euro JPY or Euro USD. But Euro JPY was also a liquid trade around that time. But I was driving, man. I was driving. It's about was it Euro JPY or Euro USD? About the It was also a nice trade. So if I were to enter the year on this break of this candle, stop loss about the right and aim for the low. I would aim for this low, but I would not made it. But I did that yesterday and it worked out. So it doesn't always work, but I mean you can still bag like at least like a three
But,
percent
uh,
or 4% trade.
but that's the thing though. It doesn't always work, but it's fine because it works.
Yeah, like
You can't
yesterday.
you can't get anything right.
Yesterday, yesterday I had like a trade on. I think it was Euro USD. Was it yesterday? And then as soon as it reached like 1%, I closed it. I didn't even reach the high. I didn't even reach the high. I
Yeah,
didn't even reach the high. Oh, yeah, sorry, it was UK 100. I didn't even reach the high or the low when I took it. I must really put my meta trade on this so you can see the past trades. So I didn't touch the low. When I see it was just like dragging, man, it was not dragging, but it was moving very, very slowly. So I was like, nah, I'm just gonna close it. But I closed it in profit. I made like 1%. But then, like, I checked it like an hour, 2 hours later. I checked the trade and I saw it did move to my take profit of like 2%, or yeah, it was like
yeah,
two something 2%. A move there, but it just took it took a while to move. But could have been because I was in New York session already. You know what I mean? So Asian UK trades don't move so like during New York
check
session.
this.
So could have been that though.
Check this screen here. I did this probably like a few weeks ago. Check here. Also on this. You see?
Which one on your screen?
Mm, you see there? That's what. Look, I was playing in the zone a long time ago. They hadn't broken through. This is the zone is playing. So the moment this breaks, bro, guys, the moment this breaks out of here, the moment, bro, you sell him right down.
Is that on
The moment
was on the
it
four
breaks out.
hour?
Yeah, the moment it breaks out here, guys. We don't know when, but the moment it does, you sell. Ideally, you want to get it here. So I'm thinking we'll go back there, and then
Was going
then
back there
last
now.
go back there now. Yeah, exactly. I'm thinking it goes back there, maybe pitch it higher, and then take the sell and keep it all the way down. Got all this year, all this. Wait, where is it now? Yeah, all this year is liquidity. till there, all of that.
Are you gonna keep
That's
it?
all.
That's the
This
thing.
was my see, but I'm saying like all of this year is liquidity because this year was this this from here especially to there, right? That was January, first to the beginning of January. All that was impulsive buys.
Are you gonna?
Way, way overboard. Way overboard. It
But are
must
you
come
gonna
back here.
keep it? That's the $1 million question. You
Um,
know,
that's
when it
that's
comes
the
in a
million dollar
day, then you
question.
wanna close it, and then you're gonna close it. It's gonna be
And
the
you're
fourth time
panicking.
though. It's gonna be the fourth time, cut.
Exactly. It's not the demo. You know, it's not the demo. But ideally, bro, this is what I'm thinking is gonna happen in the next couple of months.
But why didn't
So
you?
we'll
Why
see.
didn't you? Why didn't you? Why didn't you close that maybe off and keep another other off running, and then you just maybe stack it every day or add a new position every day.
What I will do though, like this time around, what I will do, to be honest with you, I will buy year, year, and then as it goes down, that will be my if I get in again here somewhere and it falls, right? This will be my that will be the money that I will like um, trade off of. You know what I'm saying? So like you say, by stacking it, I can trade all the way bottom here and still have that on top. So I'm not gonna maybe hopefully look hopefully this plans out as how I am it's already going as planned there. Like this it's gonna do exactly that, bro. Um, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
But
We
but you see the thing is like how long do you know that you have to keep it before you're gonna close everything and direction is gonna change. I always trip on that because what I was doing a couple of months ago or last year, what I was doing was I was entering, I was entering. I saw the buy coming, right? And then I entered, and then I entered again at the break every day. I entered, but I didn't know where to put my
yeah
stop loss. I didn't know where to put my stop loss, and I didn't know when to exit. So I just kept it, and then one day it retraced.
yeah
So it was like 2 days, 3 days. One day it just made a retracement, and then one of my, and then the next day and the next day after that, like 3 4 days after that, it shot up. So I was on like 1500 or 1600, and look where is it now, 1700. So you don't know when to close. You don't know when to put your stop loss out to risk with that though. That's why with what I'm doing now. I know exactly, okay, in and out, in and out, in and out. Aim for previous high. I'm aiming for some sort of imbalance. You know,
but if you look at
just to fall
even
that imbalance. Okay, now out.
I mean like even if you look at USDT for example, right? You can see here on the arrows here that I have here, like you speak about ICT saying what's it accumulation, right?
Hmm.
So this is accumulation here on the 4 hour, shut up. This was accumulation here on the 4 hour as well, shut down. Now this was accumulation here as well, and it's busy falling, right? So and you can even can see that
Uh,
that is a double top as well, right? So that's what you just look for. That look, it's not simple, but the mind makes it hard. And I think you just have to just like be like look how like it's falling now, right? And like you're gonna fall just today, just today. Same with Ness as well. Ness is just gonna fall just today, back to here again.
But will you keep it
And dan gaat het maar aan. How do you mean? Keep it till there.
from on top? Yeah, will you keep? Will you? Well, we go back up now. Will you into the buy? Into the
Hmm.
sell? I mean,
If I go, yeah. The retrace, yeah. I'm not in it. So most times it will I'll wait because this year is just the impulsive. That's just everybody selling, and then there's gonna be those hedges are gonna push it back up again just because they feel like it, and then it will come back again down. But also sometimes it don't do that. Sometimes it just continues, and then that's how it is. So, yeah, exactly. Sometimes it just continues, and there's nothing you can do. But in the long term, this is where I think it's gonna go. And I even have my little um, alert here. You see, so if it breaks past there, if it breaks out this, if it breaks out here, it goes. Because there's a lot of accumulation here. There's a massive order block here. So the moment it breaks out here, it's gonna go, bro.
I just
But you
entered
can even
now.
can see like, yeah, Timothy the Hack. Where did you
I
enter
just
him, see?
entered now.
You're a nest.
Uh, yeah, try to share my screen. What did I do it from my phone? I can't share my screen from my phone now. Can I take a
I'm
screenshot?
lotioning it now. I'm lotioning it for. And can you see here? Can you see my screen?
Yeah,
See here, man. If this falls right to here, see this here over here, no? This accumulation, right? So order block, and even here as well, there and there. So this falls past there, it will most likely make a new accumulation over here, and I even have the line there. You see? So that's where you must enter if you want to enter later for that long sell, because that's fall over there. There's no accumulation here besides here again. You see?
yeah.
Besides here.
But they're gonna keep it for so long.
Listen, because if it gets to there, it won't come back to here for another 6 months. Once it breaks out over here and it falls to fall, it won't come back there for at least a couple of months, couple of weeks even. That's the plan for how you wanna so that you don't have to miss out the way we used to miss out on stuff, you know? But for now, like it's not gonna happen now. It's gonna take some time. But ideally, and you can
Don't know.
see over here, guys, look here. You can see over here. You can see there. Even there's a major accumulation. So this is that is small. That is now busy making accumulating basically. So this is busy making accumulation. So we don't know how long it's gonna go there. But then eventually we'll go to there, we'll come up and touch, then you will touch the accumulation as support or as resistance, then go again. Then touch here again, then go again. Then that's a major support, a major accumulation, sorry. So you want to take that cell all the way from over here to there, which is like 2000 pips. Ah, we talking, you know? But all of that,
Hmm.
right? All of that takes time. All of that takes time. You must be patient. You must wait. It's not gonna happen now. Because even though it's falling now, I think I'm gonna sell now and I'll hold it to there. No, bro. You can see that it's only gonna sell to here. Just at this PC. Then go back up again because the market's gonna be strong. We even saw now how strong the economy is. The you know how big a wage increase of 0.6, that is double what they're making. It's almost 1% increase on their weekly wage. You know how big that is. So like the economy is very strong, so it's not gonna happen now. Might even go way up there to 1800 a year, maybe even 20,000. But
Hmm.
at some point, your sell, the higher it goes, the bigger your sell. I've said it many times that the economy is not in a good space. They're only building shit up because they want to accumulate the assets, and then when the shit hits the fan, they'll sell it all. That's why they're pushing it so high up. It's gonna be a heavy sell. You might just be ready. That's all. And it can change your life. It's the truth because it can definitely change your life. I'm not making a joke. Just be patient because you can aim for 20K today, but imagine if you wait and be patient and you can make 100 grand in like a month, and then all that worries and stuff you had was gone because you waited and been patient. Because even the Fed said yesterday that it's not going. They're not going to put the TV off hold because I think I'm having low shading now. Hey, I'm gonna do all this
Yeah,
nonsense.
must also I must also
Yeah, you
go
must
now.
move soon. I'm
Go
gonna
now.
start to make a move now.
So
But yeah,
maybe we can.
yeah, bro. We must do this more though. But like I said
Yeah,
before we
we
move,
do.
there's gonna be that's gonna happen. So it's gonna be big money because that must happen. That day is too. This is too early. Look here. This is the 8th of January. This over here is the 7th of December, early December. All this year, November 15th to there, 7th December, shot up and then shot up. It's way too early for that. That's gonna be taken out. The question is, how far is it gonna go up? That's the how far is it gonna go up
Hmm.
before it does that? And the higher it goes, the more we can make selling back down to that position. It will never go. It will never ever again. Oh, okay, never say never ever, but it will never ever at the current moment go back to here. Never ever again. But look at here, even bro, before it shot out. Look how many times it touched. One, two, and three. Then it went. It kept trying to. There was, I'm taking a buy now. I'm gonna hold it. No, I'm coming back. Okay, now's the chance. No, I'm coming back. And then only, and even again, it can beat you back. And then it went. So there's enough moments for you to take a move. But all of this year, even this year, guys, all of this here is patience. All of this is patience for that move. That's all what it is. And then, so this move, I think, is likely gonna come. Bah. But we wait and see. That's all I can say. But we must do often, bro. I like it. I like it actually. We must do it every day.
Yeah.
And whoever's gonna watch this, I don't know who's
Yeah.
gonna upload it, but whoever's gonna watch this, I have a better setup, maybe not study my laptop, you know. But you can hear me, like, no? Can you hear me alright?
Yeah, I can. But I said I want to go now.
Yes,
Yeah, I
please. Do
can.
you think?
But I must go now. But I'll
Okay.
speak to you soon.
Do you think when upload it, then you let me know about
Alright.
that?
Stay safe.
Kazi, safe,
Okay. Safe, safe.
safe, bro.